Okay. Okay. Good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to a beautiful Wednesday, which is going to be a pretty wild day today. Morning everyone. Everyone in Zoom, if you're doing well. So yeah, it looked like GA pushed 6 o'clock again, but I can't get up in the morning at 6 o'clock. It's too early. It's too damn early. So yeah, looking like the moves that happened again after like 2:30, 3 o'clock. GJ pushed up. This closure above was okay. Stop would have been maybe a little bit large. Yeah, 49 pips, but you would have got it back. But yeah, let's take a look then at Goldie and GJ. So first things first, right? Let's take a look at the news. The news, right? We've got GDP for pound at 7 AM, which is in 40 minutes or so. Expecting 0.2, which is from a negative to positive, so that'll be quite interesting to see where that goes. Yeah, it'll be quite interesting if it's positive. And then obviously later on we've got core PPI and then FOMC. So yeah, NY session, this is going to be pretty slow normally. It was slow last time, it was slow that time before. Max, I've noticed there's been a lot of volume at London close. Is there any reason you stop at 3? Well, that's just the time I've always traded. I don't really want to be trading from 6 o'clock till fucking 5:30. You know, it's the whole part of my trading was I can get my work done and then I can piss about. That's a full 12-hour day. Fuck that. But I suppose you could go check later on. So yeah, let's start on the GJ. So again, massive bullish candle. Very nice. The buys came later on yesterday. You know, waited all day for some sort of movement, and then it really happened. Yeah, later on. 4-hour time frame here as well. It's bearish for the time being, but yeah, looks like it's already kind of made some support. The hourly time frame clearly has a level of support down here, 176,550, which it's looking like it's good holding right now. Take a look at the 30. You can start to make it look a bit neater. Put on all the bodies, the lowest body of the candle. Look at the 15. Got a little bit of a fake out there. So yeah, it's probably down here now, the actual zone. Obviously, you know, if you get some sort of rejections, the sells below could be quite nice, but you know, overall we are very bullish. But for the most part, this is going to move when the news comes out. But yeah, this zone below is, you know, a nice 80 pip zone. Could you potentially take sells below for the news? Maybe I might have a sell stop below. Yeah. 176,429, because if we can get a little bit of that move, that would be rather nice. That would be pretty fun. And then obviously we have resistance, same thing again that's been happening. You know, it's right at the high, so high. Gotta be a little bit cautious there. But yeah, the only thing that I can really see on GJ is the potential sells below 176,400 later on. That is really the only thing. Trying to see Tom, how did you get into this trade, man? You just buy the support? Was that legit? Or was it a W? Because it's a little bit of a one. There's nothing too much. But yeah, sells below 176,400. That'll be when the 4-hour breaks the previous lows. When the daily is obviously bearish. So I think, in terms of that, I think we can get some nice little pips from that. Do I think it's going to retrace all the way? Well, probably not, but it will push enough for me to get some pips out of it. Elohe, you in gold trade?
Yeah.
Nice. For Asian?
Yeah, I tell you yesterday that I would
Yeah.
trade Asia.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go with this.
But we really don't know if I close already or just hold a little bit more.
In a buy?
Yeah. I buy in 45, 40.
Yeah, so you're buying quite low. Good. 4-hour time frame closed bullish here. Next one has to make a lower wick, but it's still holding this major support. On the hourly time frame, you can see huge levels of support all around there. You can see they're all tapping the same area, 1940. Yeah, if you get a nice strong closure below, you could maybe continue to 1933 below. That'd be if though you get a nice strong closure below, because you can see none of these candles here have closed below. So if you get that closure, you've got quite a nice move.
I take two buys and I close one already.
Nice.
Because I risked too much yesterday and I buy one in 41. And I close 41 to 45. And I hold the other one.
Nice. Very nice. Good morning, Clues. Good morning, everyone in YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so this 4 hours just making a lower wick for the meantime. If you look above, the reflipping, the continuation is something that could happen again, just like yesterday. Obviously it was a little bit high yesterday, but yeah. There's Asian high as well. Has just gone to retest. Yeah, tap the wicks. But I do think, in terms of the gold, I still think we're gonna play in this range today until that news comes out. Okay. Why? Well, because it's been holding this level for a very long time, from 1970 to 1940. And is it going to move before FOMC below or above these zones? No, so you just got to trade the range if you want to. And that is what we'll try and do today for sure. Trade the range. So I think buys above. I mean, yeah, potentially buys back above would be quite nice above this resistance later on. Because if you look above, I mean, we have just clean zone really. All the way to like 1956. So yeah, I think that could be nice for potential continuation bullish into the new zone. Obviously, it's going to probably move a little bit with this news as well. But if you look at the left-hand side, what we're doing right now, well, we're literally just doing... oh, 1 second. Click the wrong button. We're literally just making the lower wick, just like this one did. So, yeah. Howdy. Gold at 4-hour resistance, is it? I wouldn't say it's a 4-hour resistance. Where's there been resistance there before? Maybe over there, but that was 29th of May. That was 15 days ago. For the most part, we've been pushing quite nicely around here. So yeah, I mean, if you look at the 5-minute as well, if you look above, very clean above 950 to at least 952 as well. The 4 hours making an amazing wick, yeah. I agree. If you look at the 5-minute, we're still, you know, stepping up, making highs, so yeah. I think the buys with fear would be good. Buys with 949.5 level. Oh, where did it go? Beautiful. The break-even point at 51.9. Yeah. Yeah, the break-even point will be like there. Yeah, so you can have this little line on like this. That would be the break-even. Very nice. But yeah, even Goldie pushed down nicely yesterday. Yeah, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. But in the time that I was looking at it, it was obviously the news happened, right? Look at the news. The news wicked all the way down to 15 and all the way up to 17. Who got caught in that? Because they moved up very quickly. Moved up very well. Moved. Oh, sorry. Just gonna say that. Yeah, you got it now. Wait. Yeah. I saw it go down at one moment, made that huge wick, then went up 100 pips and instantly flipped 100 pips again. Yeah, it was mad. It was mad. Elohe was laughing about it. He was like, gold go up and down.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
If you know about gold, you know that he go up and down all the time.
Yesterday it was very much up and down.
How many pips he moved yesterday? Like 300?
Yeah.
Maybe more, maybe 4. 71 to 41.
Yeah, 31. 310 pips, sorry. That's mad, isn't it? The moves all happened later on, man. It's fucking annoying. I don't want to stay on until 3 o'clock.
When the people laughing, that you more confirmation.
Like, what could you have taken? I mean, yeah, this closure there, maybe a 230 would have been okay. It's alright, and this candle here was the nice one. 415, like 415. Wow, like the time is just not a time that I've been looking at trading ever. If all those moves, like move to like 4 o'clock, man, I'd sack off trading 100% because I'm not getting up early to do. It's too much time. Defeats the point of it. So 50-minute just closed, 30-minute just closed, bearish on Goldie. I mean, on the yeah, we should maybe go back down and retest 1945. It looks like here. Where's that 4-hour low wick here? Yeah, there. So if you look at the previous one, what did it do before?
I think he don't go more down.
Yeah.
The more down that he go right now is the moment that he are.
Yeah, it did this here, and then it started pushing back up again. Yep. Yeah. Fuck that. I find it too boring, man.
The swap in gold is like a big one. So holding gold in the night, that's like a $30.
You hold it. How long? What time did you get in? Oh, you must have got in. Yeah, very, very early here. 1 o'clock and stuff. Very rarely breaks. Yeah, it's good. It's good that actually the Asian like supports, because it very rarely breaks a big supports in Asian session. It will retrace.
He got too much down yesterday. I didn't really think that maybe he got like a down. Like he crossed the 39, we don't know where he go. But he don't cross. He touch the 40 and go back up.
Yeah. Yep. 5-minute trend line max. Yeah, I'm kind of bullish on the buys on gold. I think if we reflip and break this candle, the buys are going to be good. So I'm waiting for the buy. Yeah, NY the moves are just so massive and kind of spontaneous as well. So yeah, we'll just wait on to see if he gets some maybe supports. For gold there. If this volume is gonna push pretty quick, I assume. Yep.
What's the weather up there?
I left my window open actually all night and it was cold. It's cold in here now. But in my other room I got a new sheet. It's nice and cold. It's beautiful. Bro, you doing buy some sell up on GJ, bro? Yeah, I might do. There's an obvious area to put it. What happened in the last GDP as well? Let's take a look. 12th of May.
Tom, you hold a goal yesterday? I think Tom traded gold yesterday.
Trades a lot of things. Yeah, 7 o'clock pushed 50 pips or so. Did make a low work first. What was the news that actually came out? Let's take a look. Forecast is 0 and it was minus. Yeah, so it's either that or FOMC later on at 7. You could do maybe. Where the fuck is it gone? Not there. So high though, man. 176. That's the highest it's been in so long. Good morning, David. Hope you're doing well, my man.
High in your ears, maybe.
You are?
The more high in the ears, correct?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's not the craziest news. I think being on the biggest news is probably the easiest. Morning, had a great day with CPI yesterday. Red folder Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, looking like a big day. Obviously, This gold's gonna move with this news as well, which is a bit frustrating. Hopefully we don't break it above. Let's see if Goldie moved. No, it didn't really.
I drink a bottle of wine last night. Oh my god, man! I feel like
You don't feel good, eh?
no really.
No. Yeah, alcohol sucks, bro.
Yeah, I need to stop with this shit.
Yeah. Ruins your next day.
I really don't need. Just drink because I am bored.
No need to drink,
Portugal
brother.
have a beautiful wines, you know, the flavor and savor and smell.
It just makes you feel horrendous the next day. That's the worst about it.
Yeah, this is the only bad thing, you know. I'm feeling bad in the stomach. I'm feeling bad in my muscle.
And it gives you a headache, dehydrated.
Oh my god, man. Like a black and deck inside.
It's not a vibe.
Yeah, Tom, we have the same enter last afternoon. We sell gold yesterday too, Max.
Yeah.
I sell in 54, I think so. No more, like 56, and I close at 52.
Nice, yeah, that was a nice little push.
The goldie going up. It's moving good right now.
The only issue is it's gonna close above when we have this fucking news.
More of the times testing 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I test 4 times. I read the 70. Wow, 72. And I think this time if he go up, he wanna broke this shit.
The only thing is there's news in 20 minutes.
Yeah, this is perfect. In 20 minutes?
Yeah.
I hope he don't go down. Something like a bitch.
Ooh, you're on the flight. These candles look good. So I was thinking, yeah, with the 5 minute, maybe getting in there. The only thing is, yeah, this fucking news. But the 4 hours coming up now. Might be able to squeeze it before the news comes out. For technical players, GJ looks to bleed. Yeah, maybe with the news, but yeah, I'm gonna leave the news because I haven't made any money this June yet because obviously I was busy, but I don't really want to be risking it on news at the moment. Stop being a pussy, trade the news, Brian. Expecting a 0.2. How close are we to break that 4-hour low? Yeah. Trading news is just I think with gold trading news it's not bad because it normally goes one direction. I mean, not like yesterday, but yeah, GJ can be pretty rough. Will GDP news affect gold? It normally will.
You know, the only thing that I don't like this news is he broke the 40. They go.
Bro, what?
It's down.
Yeah, I think we'll have to see, but I'm just watching this Goldie. Hopefully you can chill around here and then maybe start to move straight around.
I don't know if you see what I think right now.
What did you say?
Yeah, I said that if he broke in the lowers.
Oh, 1940.
It's a new age for gold again.
Yeah. Yeah, if it gets there, 100%.
If he broke in the 40, he go down like 90, 10, something like that. This is what I think. You know that sometimes I see big numbers. He broke the 40, he got to 32, easy.
Yeah, 32, 33. I think that'll be good.
And we see the next stop, maybe 906, and go back up again.
I saw your dad's shitboxing DD episode last night and was vomited. Yeah, I was DD a lot that trip. I didn't even know who the fucking geezer was, to be honest with you. I actually didn't know who that guy was. Slimmage puts me off trading news. Even when I'm right, I lose. Yeah, that's the thing, innit? That is the only issue with it. Oh, my teeth are sensitive as shit. So we got 15 minutes left for the news to come out. Which way is GJ gonna go? Which way? 19 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. How do you know Domvo? Just because he's in the same industry as me. And we speak a lot back in the day. Spoke a lot. How did the daily close? Yes, we closed bearish, but still just hovering in this range. I mean, wow, imagine if we hit 180, that would be huge. I mean, the last time we were here, when was it? We've passed January 2016, wow. Now we're back above his support as well. January 2016. I was 15 years old at the time. 15 years old, so see how far away we've been here since here. It's been mad. Right, I'm gonna quickly make myself some coffee and get ready for this news event. Actually, not coffee. I'm gonna get a tea. Actually, fancy a cup of tea. Oh yeah. I just done that. Oh, there we go. Be 2 minutes. There we go. Doom, 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 doom. Can't wear the hose out, oh my god. Where'd it go?
You don't looking good, no?
Huh?
You're looking confused.
Looking what? Confused.
Girl, looking confused.
Yeah, it's just the start of the morning, man. Still hasn't broken the low of the previous 4 hour yet though, so it's okay. Max, with the positive numbers for news, how does that usually affect GJ? Well, it goes bullish, doesn't it? Yeah. Not normally in one push through, it kind of messes around a little bit. It did it last time, made a low wick first, then pushed. Yeah, I'd leave GBP news, to be honest. I was thinking of maybe doing it, but thinking about it now, the amount of times I've seen GJ news. It doesn't normally play the easiest. I just gotta wait for this goalie to break out of these zones. Either 1949 or 1939. It's 100 pips the zone.
What zone?
Needs to break below 1939 or 1949.
Hope the 949.
Yep. Hopefully.
Hello, hey, are you on buy? I heard your terminal.
Yeah, I'm buying.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's waiting. It's waiting. Let's see what's happening. But I am break even already.
Yeah.
Not really break even, a little bit more than breaking even, just because I have a swap for holder in the night. Let's see what's happening.
What up, people? What up, DT? Hope you're doing well. Hasn't broken above resistance yet. What's this for? Goldie? Yes. This 4 hours still got 3 hours left. There's still got a lot of time. How much is the difference here? Skin's getting bad again. I'm gonna press sell on GJ. Oh god, it's gonna go on the way
You know what I see, Max? I see this news going sell, and he's going like 1935.
If you look at the past time that this pound news came out, it didn't move the base, to be fair. But we'll see. It's just all a guessing game for news. And there's no real point in trying to guess where it goes. You just gotta either have a buy stop and a sell stop and see what happens, or just leave it.
You have already?
No, I'm not doing it. GJ news can be a bit painful. Finally woke up for London session. Let's go. Oh, nice. Getting up early. Finally trading my own session. Oh wow, you just can't get up for it? Yeah, man. The early mornings for me are starting to piss me off, to be honest. It's just... I'm not even taking any trades. There's no fucking point in getting up early. My earliest trade's been 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock, there's just a random push at some support. That's pretty much the only trade you can take. So... And it's just so out of my comfort zone. I haven't done that ever, so it's just kind of... It's not random. Well, it is. It's pushing on support. That's all that's happening. At 7 o'clock. Sorry, at 6 o'clock. Yeah, okay. You bought gold at 1 AM. Working from home starting at 9 AM is a sin. 9 AM is nice though. Getting up at like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock is fine. It's just when you have to get up at 6. There's some early M's and W's, yeah, but I haven't seen any. The time we've been getting up, I haven't seen any yet, but we'll keep doing 6 o'clock. If there's none for like 3 months, then yeah, I'm sacking off 6 o'clock, like.
Is right now the news?
Yeah. 30 seconds time. Let's take a look at the spreads. 2 pips and GG and Goldie there maybe. Let's see. Not much. Not much. Spreads like 2 pips. Okay, so forecast, yeah, is exactly what was expected. Construction output down. But yeah, nothing much there. Well, that was boring. That's good, then. That means Goldie can...
This is a fake news.
Yeah. It wasn't that fun, was it? So yeah, I think above 1949 for me is where I want to go. Where could price go retest though? It could go to, yeah, 1945.3 first. I think that's a good level because that's the retest of the salary, which no one likes to get to. And yeah, GJ pushed up from support, but yeah, it wasn't that interesting.
I closed my trade.
Mm.
I don't like it. I feel it to go down.
What was your entry? Did you just closed in profit?
Yeah, I just closed in profit.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I've seen it at 5-minute W and GJ. It was a little bit of support, but it's just at the very high, very high. To see. The news came out as, yeah, quite interesting. Manufacturing down.
What time is the next news?
1:30 and then 7 o'clock. But 1:30 shouldn't really do much. It's mainly the 7 o'clock news.
Go down
tonight. Have you decreased your quality of your live? No, I haven't. It must be you, brother. It must be you.
$35. Gold go to 35. And I buy it.
How big was this wick?
Gold go to 35 and I buy again.
Yeah, so it's nearly the same length as this lower wick here, so we'll start to see. It needs, actually, if you look here on the 5 minute, we haven't retested this level here, so this is where it's going to go tap at least.
What is that?
It's just when price breaks above a level and likes to go retest it, likes to go tap it, and it hasn't since then. So it's a good little target.
I see a big candles of March that he wanna test. For I don't know if you can see what I see. Yeah, that one's.
Yeah.
Little bit more up. Like that, yeah, the big one, like 30, yeah, that one's.
Yeah. And that matches with this one, with this wick to fill, yeah.
Exactly. For this, I think they go down because here really up 50%, no? 4 times. Like 71.
Yeah.
He touched 4 times. And he correct this up. He broke it. Now I think he wanna touch the other 50%. It's like for me it's 34.79. And I'm feeling gold going doing that, and he go up again. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is going my chat.
So what your analysis is? Yeah, it's good shit. I think if it gets below 30, I think if it gets below 39, you're gonna be right. But it's just if it gets there first.
And the news yesterday going negative. And the news right now don't move nothing. No, is Asia. Asia more all the time he go down, correct? And he just up 7 pips this night, and I think now he. Waterfall.
So there is a W there. I mean, it's a nice W. How did the stops be? 10 pips. Yeah, to go into the highs only 7. You'd have to want it to break.
No danger. Body GJ right now.
You what?
No, I just asked if it's not a little bit like danger because he's the up more than.
Yeah, it's very high. Like you yesterday. Very, very high. The daily time frame, I mean, yeah, it needs some sort of retracement as well. I mean, how many times have you just pushed up here? Where was that move that we were going to take yesterday? Oh, yeah. We were going to look for cells to go retest this. That was nice. If it pushed below there, that would have been great. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Andrea. It doesn't look very nice here. Just consolidate between 700 and 550. So again, the same thing, yeah, I mean here, if you want the W formation, there's one there, but you're quite close to resistance, right? You're only 5 pips away from it, and we've already tapped it, so it's not very logical with it. I'm watching this Goldie, man. This Goldie's gonna reef. Still holding. Just had to go tap that level. There you go. So goalie starting to turn back over here. Still stepping up. PPI and FMC will more likely move gold. Today's pack with news, it's most likely not to move which during this session. Next 2 hours will provide some clarity. I'll see that fucking next thing is the love heart there. So yeah, that news is really boring. It didn't do nothing. Why? Well, because it came out. No, it came out the same as forecast, right? Because that's already priced in. So that's why it didn't move a lot. Also, the same thing as Andrea. The 50% Asian range is like there, isn't it, as well? So the same as Brian as well. Brian likes to look at the 50%. That's probably around the 50% there, isn't it? So that's where it's holding. There's a 5-minute strong bullish closure. Obviously, it is just going to go retest that previous level anyway. It's looking good. So we just need to really break above here because these are the previous. This is the high, this is the lower high, low, lower low. So we need to start breaking above there. W on gold, could be interesting. I know what you mean. Like here. The retest is there, which I haven't tapped yet, which is a bit annoying, but depending on the stops and stuff, you can maybe go break even towards there. Tempted to get in that 5-minute closure in gold, yeah, me too. But I think this W could be reasonable. I know there's an untested there, but if you get to there, stop loss is 25. Yeah, it's not very far. Just trying to get earlier with this move, you know. See the 4 now made the low wick just like this one has. 1951.7, and then for next targets it'd be back above 64. So we'll watch this play out. If you have to wait for like a 30-minute bullish closure above, then that could be fine as well. So we'll see how this 15 closes. Where's Kiko today? Is he busy? He's not in the building. He must be at work. Yeah, it did go tap, which is nice there. So yeah, we're just still waiting patiently for above 49. We get a nice. That'll be the 4-hour flip as well. It'll be tasty. The treble. Look at here, I love.
We're Man City and we're on the
That Goldie 4-hour looks like it wants to form a celery. What? What, close bearish then break the high? Is that what you mean? Yeah, I was speaking of 10 pips daily yesterday, but man, I think the 15-minute and the 30-minute times are over, man. It's been absolutely no closures for pretty much this whole year, really. There hasn't been a lot. There's been a lot of celeries and stuff, which is decent, but that's obviously still not really closures. Celeries are good on the 15 and 30, but yeah.
Let's sell gold, Max.
It's still above the 50% on the Asian. Still, the only way I was selling gold is if we're below here. It's held support here so many times, man. The market is getting volatile. Yeah, it's just moving with loads of news. I've actually found this period, even though I haven't taken any trades really, and I've actually made 10% last month. I found it one of the hardest times of trading just because there's no 15
Let's
closures.
see a trading view of Andrea.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to these sells, to be honest with you. This is like a nice Raja play. Raja used to always take these. Look for the cleanest zone in most recent times. Wait for some confirmations, breaking these zones. We've got a nice zone to go retest. I don't like the idea that the 4 hour has 3 hours left and has such a small top wick for the buys. What do you mean got a small top wick for the buys? Yeah, but you expect it to break a flip and push. Break the high of the previous 4 hour. Yeah. Very true, Andrea. Very, very true. Yeah, and it is that even and you're talking yesterday about the support formings in the actual zones instead of like when they break and then they get support formings. But yeah, I think that's a good idea because you know that these candles up were clean, these candles down were clean, they move quickly. So you know, playing in that zone is gonna be much easier than the zone above because you don't know it yet. You know this pushes very nicely. But yeah, so Andrew's just pointing out that yesterday was much easier. Today it's choppy, you know, on the 15. But it is to be expected, right? It's a news day and it's a big news day. It's the biggest news day really. FOMC is the biggest one. So it's just how it is. You just gotta wait for your zones. If they come, then that's great. You could take one maybe in that day, but if not, then you can do it tomorrow, you know. Morning, bro. Do you use candlestick math? What? Candlestick math? What kind of math is that? Morning, bro. Do you, yeah, what's the candlestick math? I don't know what you mean by candlestick maths. What kind of math is that? Candlestick meth. You guys want the candlestick meth? Look at this gold. He's still holding up. Still holding up. We've got 7 minutes left for this 30. We'll see how that 30-minute closes. Right, I'm sick of this music. Let's change it up. Let's play some music, eh? Let's play some music, man. I've been bashing this song. I want to put a bit of Coldplay on as well. Coldplay's some good tunes.
This year we've had to lose.
Coldplay's good trading music, I think.
Space we've lost. We've lost dancing.
Let's get copyrighted. Hell yeah. Let's get copyrighted, boy.
All these things that
Put some W's in the chat if you like
we
Fred
took for
again.
granted.
Hell yeah. We've lost dancing. Look at the 5-minute GJW pain. Yeah. Just a little bit choppy, eh? Park life for the game was mine. Yeah, my girlfriend was there, man. Uchu papi mi año.
We've lost dancing.
What a tune. So yeah, I mean, we've got 5 minutes left for this 30. This is going to be showing us, you know, I mean, if it goes above 1947, it'll look nice, but there's a lot of rejection wicks here. Still quite slow. The 5 minute, can you see the 5 minutes here? Got doji, then a massive bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So not the nicest price action right now.
We took for granted. We've lost dancing.
You want to really, if you want to take trades in the 5 minute, make sure that the candles are nice.
I can live through. We've lost dancing. This next 6 months. We've lost dancing. Day by day. We've lost dancing.
We can do it this week, Dustin. Yeah, I'll do one. I'll do one more M and W today, and then we'll do 5 minutes on Thursday and Friday.
Marvelous.
Yeah, we'll go through the fives. I think there's a lot of trades that we can take in the fives. We'll backtest. We'll do 2023 5 minute. Yeah, because it'll be more recent, you know. Because it has changed them a lot. Hello, hey, where's Goldie going, eh? Looking very choppy in the 5 here.
You guys, I see a lot of W's in the chat. You guys take a trade?
No. They just like the song. They like the song.
I tell you what I feeling go.
You still
I think
think
it go down. It go down, and this is possible to sell the now to 39 easy. That is what I feel. And I think he's go more down. He go to test the 35 that I tell you.
Yeah, I'll be in with you there after 39 to 33, 34. Yeah. Yeah, people.
I don't really think he go more down the 32.
No.
Just if he go too stronger. This is what I feel. I don't really good to sell gold. I think I'm waiting to he go down from buy again.
I want to go Coldplay so bad. Yes, I saw them. These are the spreads. These are the spreads right now. GJ 1 pip, well 0.8. Goldie 0.8. That's with the IC markets, regulated broker, the biggest liquidity. So if you're wanting a broker that's actually reasonable, you know the link. I'll put the link there. Look at that gold spread right now, 0.5 of a pip. Damn. What's the song called? The song is called Sky Full of Stars. Cool.
You know what? Gold broke in the train line too.
Yeah. I saw that.
He broke the train line. He broke the last. No, he doing the same already. The last down that he doing.
I don't like this structure here at all. I risked 1.4% the other day and I hit my full stop loss, but it took 1.6%. Do you know why this is? It'd be with commissions and stuff.
But my finger wanna sell.
I would leave it at the moment. I think everyone in the chat will agree. It's just consolidating. Yeah, Andrea. Look. Just look at the candles, right? I promise to you guys, if you just focused on this, and this is on all time frames, right? Focus on, you know, candles, you know, like these here. All continuing, all big, all one direction. I'll try and show you some more. Yeah, here, these buys are nice yesterday. These sells are nice yesterday. Nice clean zones. Whereas now, look what you have. Heavenly. You know, you have a mixture of bullish, bullish, bearish, 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 bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. With big rejection wicks from both sides. It's showing consolidation. Also, take into account as well the FOMC later on. It's most likely going to do this, and maybe a bit of volume at 130. But so just be careful, right? Pick your days, pick your options with, you know, with a bit of logic, right? If the candles are printing hard in terms of bullish, bearish, and you're trying to take a sell based on candlesticks and based on your stop loss on previous candle highs and stuff. You know, if it's not respecting here on the lower time frames, then how's it going to respect your stop? So just remember that. Let's have a Coldplay bash today. Yeah, I saw Coldplay live, man. That shit was fire. Did I put the stories on my thing? Yeah, I did, look. Me. Yeah, I'd definitely go. You can go on this website called Twickets. Twickets is probably the one that you should go on because it's actually fan-to-fan face value ticket resale, and you can find them Coldplays on. Look, you can do everything here. Look, Arctic Monkeys, Formula One, Harry Styles. There will be Coldplay on. You just gotta find the right one. If you can afford it, just go for it, man. You've got to do it. Yeah. Look, one ticket in Sweden, Italy, Netherlands. Wow, they're going everywhere, man. And they're real tickets, so yeah. Imagine a holiday and watching Coldplay too. Yeah, that would be sick. Concert is just wasting time. You pay them for hurting your ears. What? No, no, no. My ears are sore from the weekend, man. Being in that Lambo the whole time down, and then also that new Countach he was absolutely rinsing it. So, looking at GJ coming back up. So the W would have worked. But as I say, I'm not really asked about that. Who said that? That might be a very sad person there in the chat. But they cause you permanent ear damage. Yeah, that's true. It's only when it's prolonged, right? If you think about all the DJs in the world and that, you know. It's mainly, I wouldn't waste your life away not going to stuff that's a bit loud. Because a lot of the time, when people get deaf, it's mainly genetic, you know. Unless you're literally getting fucking bummed in the ears constantly. What was your account type? IC Markets Raw? Yeah, it's Raw. Concerts are the best. I bet like Travis Scott was fucking mad if you were pinging. I sound sparks. La 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 la. A universe. Oh, let's put this one on. Oh, wait. I turn the music up. I got my... Is Molly pingers? Yeah. Max, how many lots do you use per trade? It varies between... obviously, I risk 1.4% on like 130k, so you do the maths. I see good when I took shrooms, Joe. I had to stop looking in the mirror. And all the kids that dance. Yeah, you just bring earplugs as well. Heaven is inside. I seen God. Comeffect saw the trading god. Saw the trading god. What did he say? Maybe I'm in that bag. What did Brian say? Look at Eloy there. Eloy is vibing. He just sits there. He's up 7% for the month. 7% for the month, vibing. So waterfall.
7%.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy, he's amazing. I for me just the 92%. A lot.
That's a lot.
A lot.
Are you using Vinny accounts as well? Yeah, hello, he is.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Right? Yeah, if you get the 5 minute up to scratch, but right now, I mean, yeah, I suppose last month I made 10%, 12% on my reel. I could still do it. I just like my own account, man. To be honest with you, if you guys actually gave me confidence in that the spreads are good and that there's no fuck ups with that, I'd happily do it. But it's just what you guys say is just shit. Looks like London session is a lost cause today. Yeah, it's still only, it's not even 8 o'clock yet, you know. And FTMO is the one? Yeah, I think FTMO only.
I don't like FTMO.
Why?
Oh no, man! The guys make too much rules. Don't. We can trade news. You can hold and trade in the night. Those couple of things.
Yeah.
Not for me, man. I am Far West cowboy style.
It's closest to my IC markets. That's what I need it to be, you know. Once upon a time, I fell away. Go. So yeah, just a little bit slow right now, but it's to be expected, man. As I say, the whole thing with trading is patience, man. I've had a fucking patience. I mean, I've obviously haven't been really here the whole of this month, but I'm still patient. I still know that there's still a lot of time left this month. And just like last month, you maybe get a slower start, and then at the end, you know, you make it all back up. April was a very slow month, but probably made around break even there because of the commissions, because of 11 break evens. Actually, no, 11 break evens. I only played commissions on 18 of them then.
Look, but June and July is not a busy month too, you know, Max, because many people are in vacation, the big guys, correct? All the people is in Florida. Take a break, spend money in Palm Beach Island, Jupiter Island.
Yep.
With $6 million houses. 60.
No. So I think what I'm gonna do is, yeah, with the 5 minutes back test we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a bit like Don. Do you know a bit how Don trades? But what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use his stops. I'm gonna use more of a. So for example, right? If Don was looking for a buy above here, because if you actually look at Don's stream and my stream, pretty much my NY markups are exactly the same as his. Right, they're pretty much bang on. And if you get a closure above the 5 minute here, okay, you know, he'll take the trade. I'll maybe wait for a 15 or 30. However, I could maybe get in on the 5, but also using a stop loss that's based on maybe a 30-minute time frame. So let's say that a 5 minute closes above. 1 second. Let's say that this 5 minute closes above like this, right? Okay. Don would normally take the buy here with stop loss below the previous 5 minute zone here. What I would do is I'd have my stop loss below, probably look at the 30 minute, and if like this 30 minute is popping up here, I'll use the 30 minute low instead of the whole zone like that. So I would reduce my stop to, you know, bye honey. I'll reduce my stop to like, you know, like 20 pips, 30 pips less than Donny Boys. And then it'll make a bit more sense for me, you know. So that's what I'm going to be looking at on the Sims. Okay, 2 minutes. That's not a logical stop though. How is it not? But we'll see. We'll see on the sims. You know, putting your stop loss below a 50-minute or 30-minute low, I think, is pretty logical. That's basically how Raja and everyone's been trading for years. Because what it would be is, right, let's say, let me just draw these candles actually, right? So let's just do this like this. Let's say that this is the 50-minute.
This is what you expect.
So like this. Obviously, on the 5-minute, this will just look like this. No, this is not what I expect. I'm just showing you an example of what I'm going to backtest on the 5s.
Oh, okay. Because right now it's looking for the other way, correct?
Yeah. So what I'm thinking is, if we get a 5-minute closure above, the probability that we get, you know, our pips from here in like a 20-30 pip zone here is good. The stop loss down here makes it obviously huge. You know, the stop loss is like 50-60 pips, which is what Don would probably use. I would use my stop loss below the current 50-minute low, which would be like there, and then that would be like there. So it's like half in the stop with the same probability trade. Like, because if you think about it, how many times does Don take a trade, make 10-20 pips in the first 10 minutes? Very, very probable. The ones that don't, and they come down here, he can maybe have some trouble. And I'd rather get out there than hold for ages when the probability when it comes down here is so low anyway. I'd rather just get out. But I'm still taking the 1-to-1s every single time we close above. So that's what I'm thinking of. Yeah. Yeah, win rate would be like 5 to 10% less, but the risk could be 50% less. Exactly, Dustin. Yeah, that's my logic with it. So that's why Don does the stops, I swear. Yeah. Don does those stops for a numerous amount of reasons. He wants the win rate to be high, right? If you think about a stream, if you want your stream to be a good stream and a lot of people are watching, if the higher the win rate, the better. Even if, you know, the RTR might be off. Because why? Well, think about it. It makes logical sense. You know, in terms of a stream, if someone wants to turn up to your stream, the probability of you winning is 80-something%, then, you know, you're going to be watching, right? So the higher the win rate in terms of being a good stream is good. That's why Raja, like, no one gives a fuck about Raja anymore, because his stream, well, he still gets loads of views, but his trades in NY are wank.
Oh.
It's alright for him, bro, because he throws big lots. No. I love the way Don trades. I think it's good, and also it works perfect. Just for me, the way that I want to trade, I think I can get into the same trade as him. Just have a bit of a tighter stops. That's all. Where's the volume at? Yeah, it's still slowing, but it's FOMC day, man. It's always like this. Hi, Charlie Brown. But yeah, that trade that we took yesterday was a great example of risk management, man. It was beautiful. Worked out to a T. We stayed... Well, I did. Some people in the chat were like, oh, no, it's coming down. We're going to go ripped. And I'm like, be careful. It's okay. Just making the low wick, boy. And that's the thing. That's normally what we've been working on in terms of the sims at the start of this year. You know, if you get like a closure above, like this, and the next one, let's say it closes bearish. Let's say this is the 30-minute time frame, okay? And it closes bearish. I still wouldn't be afraid. What I would do is that, you know, if I got into a trade here. My stop loss is there. Then what I would do is I let this candle open, right? If it starts breaking that low, then I'm gonna close my position off. So I manage my risk here. like half. But a lot of the times you see it on sims is it'll maybe make a little low wick, reflip, push, and then turn to accelerate. Then, when it starts breaking these highs, it starts pushing, then that's good. What I would do is I'd tighten it to this current low. And then when we start pushing, breaking a high, I'll give it a little bit more room and then I'll go break even. And we've done that, I think we've done that about 3 times. 3 or 4 times the past couple months. You've got higher power. Second. Who is it? Oh my god. Wild. Yesterday's trade was the same? Yeah, exactly. Yesterday's trade was exactly that. It's on the 15-minute. It has been a rough month. Ooh, I actually, how many days did I have off of being ill? Like the whole of last week. All of last week, and I'm pretty sure one of them was a bank holiday as well. So I've only been on for like 4 days. Higher power. Every second. I love Chris Martin, man. He's such a G. He's good. He's a very positive person. Chris Martin, yeah. No. Yeah, look, they did a podcast. I need to watch this, I think. Let you know now you've got. So 9 minutes left until 8 o'clock, guys. Down on my knees. Man, hay fever sucks ass. Yeah, I think I've been quite lucky with that. I've just got bad skin instead. Let's be honest, if you have a plan, enter with a plan and risk 1%, then losing the trade shouldn't lead you to be emotional. Yeah. It still does though for a lot of people. So yeah, GJ just consolidating between these 2 areas here. Well, obviously there, but I'm looking for the sells below 432. I think that would be great. Goldie, what are you doing? Could be a W there later on, and that'll be with confidence of the 30-minute time frame reflipping, probably closing bullish as well.
What is the plan, Max?
The plan is wait.
Oh man,
It's a
this I
W.
do all my life I wait.
We gotta wait for some volume and some direction. There's none at the moment.
You think it's a W?
Well, it could make a W maybe, yeah. $20 stop, not bad. Yeah. Exactly. Shoot across the sky. I like this song. Fucking hell, Coldplay got so many bangers, man. They could literally do a concert with another set of songs.
Last time that I go to Coldplay, I go to Golden Circle.
Did you?
And I see one of the guys that sell beers, with the big stuff in the back. And I pay $50 to he stay together with me the whole.
Fucking hell.
And we hang out together. Oh, God.
Are you considering sells? Look at the chart, man. Sells below 176432. Because that's below the 15-minute support. On the left hand side, we've got clean zones below. The Goldie, I'm looking for buys with 949 and maybe a W if you make one. But right now, the price action is, yeah, it's a little bit choppy. So I'm not really in a rush of gold. 62 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream. What leverage do you think is good for a 4K account? 1 to 100? Yes. 1 to 100. Let's get those likes up, man. 150 likes, boy. Come on. Don't you get copyright claims to play for these songs? Yeah, I do. But I think, yeah, the biggest thing for trading is generally just knowing when to sit and wait. Knowing when to sit and wait. You know, looking at these candles, knowing that these candles are not really candles you want to play with because the structure is wrong. You got a bullish candle, a bearish candle, bullish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So knowing this, if you're trying to base a whole trade when the candles are consolidating and they're printing and not in the way that you would want to, then there's no trade for you to take. Yeah. So your plan is to wait until you start seeing the structure get better, start seeing the zones you want, and then you can start to execute. But before that, there's no point. Can you make an agreement of some kind to not get copyrighted? No. You could probably pay, but fuck that. I don't make any money off YouTube anyway, so I don't really care. I think it's only banned in like certain countries like Russia and shit. So let me shoot across the sky. So 8 o'clock right now. Let's see if the volume kicks in. I used to overtrade a few weeks ago, but this last 2 months I don't even remember taking 2 trades a day. Wow, well done. Yeah, getting that under control is just what you gotta do, man. You gotta make sure that you're completely ready for taking no trades as well as taking trades, you know? Don't go in the morning thinking you're gonna take a trade. Just watch the charts, man. Be careful now, because one day where you can slip, you can destroy those 2 months. That is very true. The amount of times I did that when I was younger, learning was too many.
I think the more the time that you lose money in trade is because you overtrade, you know. Like look, I have a good profit this month. I have a many possibility times to make an extra trade, but for what I wanna risk my profit? For when I give it back again my profit to the market? Just waiting for the right moment, or just if you trade, try to manage the risk better, or try to break even more times.
Very true. Ouch, no volume at an open. Yeah. Maybe the volume's gonna come later on today, man. Right, let's mix it up over here. Let's put some Chicago on. Every bucket was in the sheets. 3 times put it through my mind. So I found to forget it. Yeah, goalie really not playing at the moment, eh? What a tune. See, that's the only way. 3 time I've been in this way. 80s, 90s music's different levels compared to today. Yes, it's my favorite. It's my favorite type of music, man. And it's such a small space of time. Still nothing. Okay, setting on for GJ Cells, done for the morning, nothing for me, back to cleaning. Yeah, I agree, Andrea. There's nothing much, eh? The only thing is, yeah, I think the Cells and GJ would be nice later on. Every time during an upcoming news event, price is always slow, just waiting. Exactly. Exactly. Hope so much Paul gonna say fuck 25 surprise. Can you imagine how good clubs were with this music playing? Man, the clubs were playing. They still are. In Newcastle, I did a club night with all of these musics, all of this music. And it's bloody gorgeous. I've actually got a...
I take a cell and go.
What, now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I have big balls. I don't give a shit.
Look, what's the point in that? Look at it.
Man, I need to bring my kids to the school.
You could have taken the cell, maybe the break that low. Give me a bit more time. We'll see. Push, push, push for Eloy, push for Eloy. Break the low. Oh, fuck off. Where's the like songs library? Liked. These ones with a big bass on. Fucking hell, that's loud. Feelings for you. Go, Goldie, go! Go, Goldie, go! Tell me, get your feel. Oh, GJ. GJ coming up. Who's ballsy to take the buys into highs? See you later, Daniel, my man. See you later, brother. You link me that. How do I do this? Share. So this is the other version of that song before. Got a bit more kick to it. Any positions? Not yet. We're still kind of waiting for some volume to kick in here. Only 11 minutes past 8. Still got a lot of time. Go, Goldie, go!
Good feeling, good feeling.
What was your entry?
My entry.
Just tap that celery there.
I take 46.05.
Careful of this little zone here. Just tap back onto that celery there.
But then chill.
Are you break even yet or not?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'd get break even if you can, because this.
If he up now a little bit more, I'm out.
Yeah. You've tapped into this new zone here, which can cause some issues. If you look at the 30 as well, it's where it retested. It's just tapped it now.
But I stay alive already.
He's still in. Get down and stay night. First that I'd taken gold, so I got kids to feed. Yeah, he's probably gonna get a break even. I'm glad he went break even at that level. Got PPI today in it. Yeah, got PPI and FOMC. I don't know about range 1 sells as range 2 breakout would be nicer later. Yeah. I just don't like the price action of gold's awful. For now, Tommy, wait until you send me something in 15 minutes. See you later, brother. Yeah, we still gotta hold on over here, but we can vibe. This is the whole part of it, you know, streaming with a bunch of people. We can relax, just waiting for my buys above, GJ sells below. Oh, I love this song. Right, people on the YouTube, we need to do some guessing. Guess what this song is right now. Guess what this song is. Whoever gets it first wins £50. Go. I'm not telling you that you should know it. I would know this straight away, by the way, just to tell you. You should know it. You should know it. No clue. You will when it starts. Oh, Matteo, you need to spell it right, bro. And who's it by? Who's it by? Who's it by?
What's happened?
I'm giving them a little giveaway. You have to guess what song this is. Oh no, you got it right, but you don't have. Who's it by? Who's it by? Who's the artist?
Why you wanna give away a magic key with the song?
£50. £50.
50 pounds. Let me see the Shazam.
They can't get it. Come on. Who's it by? And still no one's got it. No one knows who it is. Oh, I'm not giving it to you. Someone said it, but they haven't spelt it right. There we go. Okay. Matteo Bocaba. It was you, my man. You said the Weekend, and then you said Michael Gray. Very nice, Michael Gray, but you spelt it right. Very nice. Message me on Instagram. I'll send you some, my man. Michael Gray. Michael knows the score. For the weekend too. That guy took you ages, bro. I knew it before it even started. Well, obviously I knew because I've obviously had it on. I would have known it. Innit? People should have had Shazam on.
I can wait.
The tune of the channel, yeah. Oh, look at GJ bringing some volume in over here. Good rejection there. Yeah, Goldie is not doing nothing, bro. I can't wait.
Hey, Max.
Yeah?
What about sell GJ?
Yeah, if you get below 432. But right now, we're just consolidating, man. We are ranging. Same with gold. We've got to wait for it to break. I can't wait. What a tune! One, bum, 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 bum. Come on, GJ. We need to sing to GJ. Get out this range. Hello, hey, you need to sing to GJ. Hello, hey, that's it. What's the feel? Yeah, this is a remix. This one. What's the feel?
Yesterday I see some videos of the Raja.
Oh yeah. Doing what?
I like a couple things that he talked about, but I see he doing trade and he's doing like a gamble shit, bro.
He's doing like a what gamble shit?
Oh my god, that's fucking huge lot. Close everything so quickly, so fast. He really don't give a shit about the take profit, the GDP. He just see the numbers and close.
Yeah, he doesn't give a shit about trading no more, man. He's already made his money. He's just vibing. He just vibing.
I think that if I am in the same position, I'm doing the same, bro.
Yeah, he just comes on stream, promotes his broker, and then fucks off. You don't need to do the graph no more, man. He's already done it. Where's the kitty bat? Right, let's do another song. Actually, I'll just play this a little long. Is this Daft Punk music? No, man. This is some OG shit. This is Cheryl Lynn, Got to Be Real. It's a fucking banger. To be real, it's got to be. And this one here, this is another like. These will be classed as very gay songs, but
look at this candle, 5 minutes candle, GJ.
Yeah, it looks good, man. It's coming down. I like it. I like it. Nearly breaking 4-hour lows. Gay Cubs, best Cubs for real, yes sir. Yeah, this one as well. Oh wait, let me put this one on. What's Goldie doing? Oh shit, like a Goldie. Yes! Come on, Goldie, get up, boy. I wanted to get rid of this traffic. There's a W on gold? Yeah, it's quite far away now, though, isn't it? Oh my god, the volume.
It's not really saved right now, no?
No.
We need to cross this 49, correct?
Yeah.
What happened?
Volume's kicking in. Look at this 4 hours. So looking at the 4 hours gonna flip, which is good. Ooh, baby. That's good then. Looking like some volume's finally kicking in. I bring it back together. It's so good. Ooh, baby. I was surprised for someone your age, Max, to know all these old songs. Yeah, I know, man. I don't know. I think my mum and dad liked them a lot, though. So I kind of just got brought up with them all. But I like tunes with good, like, unique, I don't know, 1, 2. It's like it's a beats per minute that I like. If you actually like know DJing, like this beats per minute is perfect for me. Like for dancing and shit. So I've just always liked it. Like this one here is my favorite song ever. Everyone knows this one now, but yeah. This is a remix of SoundCloud. It's fucking beautiful.
Check it out. Check it out, gold.
Oh!
Follow me.
Holy. Stops are quite big though, innit? Fuck. You may have to wait for like a celery or something. Because your stop loss now is going to... 38 pips isn't actually that bad.
Yeah. Copy that, copy that.
Oh, it's not much better. I have my
Oh, stop about that.
Oh.
I need a retail. Oh, yeah, I'm sleepy, man.
20 seconds left for this count to close. Can you see the 4 hour now? The 4 hours flipped. Needs to break the high of the previous, but then yeah, this could be interesting. So it hasn't closed above, that's fine.
What do you think, Max? He don't close.
Yeah, it's fine. We got time to wait. We can maybe wait for another 15 minute or another 30 minute. It's okay. We just wait. Yeah, exactly. So you can maybe have GJ as well.
You wanna jump in?
No, I never jump in just to take it a buy. I have to wait for a closure. We'll just watch. But not both at the same time, like last time. Yeah, fuck. That was hard, eh? Goldie coming up. Look at that volume though, just kicking in. Nice celery again. How many celeries have I seen with this? Fucking hell. So many.
That was the news that we don't have in the morning.
5 minute close. Yeah, we'll have to work on these. I haven't back tested any of that yet, but yeah, we'll see. You know, it's a 5 minute closure above how you'd play it out.
Just waiting for the 30 minutes, correct?
Well, yeah, I'm thinking maybe, you know, normally after a big move like this, yeah, we can sometimes miss the move, but what can happen is we can pull down, close bearish, then the next one breaks the high. So I'm waiting for a celery play, really, on one of the time frames. So, like, yeah, I mean, if this one closed,
and
the
the
next,
stop maybe
next one closed down.
550.
Well, that's the thing. It's quite big at the moment. So if you got this, then I could use my stop there. So that's what I'm gonna wait for. Go, GJ. There's just a bit of the traffic. What, like here? Well, the only traffic really. I mean. We're above this hourly wick, which is, well, we're not yet. That's why I'm still waiting for a closure. But I mean, if you want to be safer, you could look for above 950, above the on the 30 like that. So yeah, I mean, we could actually just wait until 50.5, because then you'll be above the 30 minute. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Because we didn't close there before. I entered gold buys on the 4-hour flip. Yeah, nice. Very nice. So yeah, we'll just wait for this next closure on the 15 or the 30, and then we can start to see. This GJ's coming down. Yes! Stop loss would be like 611, 17611. TP could be 176.030. And then maybe a potential runner here, because the runner could come back to 630. The 4 hours doing what I want, which is good. You don't understand. Did I get a 5-minute closure above? Yeah, there, no lower wick, just pushed.
Looking good.
Go on, GJ, get down, please.
Now we're waiting for he go back a little bit, no?
Yeah, I'm waiting for some sort of retracement and then a continuation. Yeah, so like, yeah, I don't like getting in, you know, straight after a push. I'd rather it retrace a little bit, close bearish, then break the high to continue. But yeah, it needs to close was 1950.5.
He's already in.
But the zone above is 50 pips, so I'm not worried in the slightest about getting in early. The zone above is huge. If you look, every single time we push above, we actually fly all the way. I mean, to 1970. So, you know, I'm happily waiting. I'd rather wait for a celery to get the push.
Okay, Max, but all the time that he puts this big candle is because he just puts in news.
No, I think it's just reacting. It's just ranging. Look at the 4 hour. We're just ranging, but like, if we know we're ranging and we're bouncing
I
off,
don't believe he's doing this again.
I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
I don't know. I think if you look to the left, it's done it numerous times. Come on, GJ, push. These are gonna close the same time, aren't they? Nice 15 closure. Why do FOREX traders prefer to trade gold, dollar, and GJ at the same time? Because most of us learn from Rajat. Right, let's stop with the massive music now. Let's put that new song on for me.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim and them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop
Back to your men, I learned from Raja.
Generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus, they had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a line for squinting, can't just stare. We're bae through thick and thin, she already fixed so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gallons in
the sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV, no. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. Let's send the address through, please. SUV, the outside white.
They kill it with this, yeah, it's sick in it, I like it.
More time and Bella line and trap. Spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought, no yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing a cat. Sprinter, 2 gal in a van, in 2 man in Milan, heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
I told her my name is Sam. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from a diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her, my bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like, yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright, this ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in, napkin. Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. There's snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in at Aston, I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence. Sometimes I may act stupid. I never
Look at this 4 hour ripping up, boy.
If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gonna leak. We ain't playing exclusives.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life.
Top would be 20 pips at the moment. Obviously, it's pushed through quite a lot, so we'll have to wait for lower wicks and stuff. But yeah, it should be good.
I was halfway there. 100 meters. I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters. It won't fit in one SUV. No.
SOS.
Somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. Let's send the address through, please.
Fire for a wife beater, can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Man have to send her therapy, she got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters, that don't work, it's porno chess. I'm doing more. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, book one flight and they're all impressed. I'm in the G6
Probably safer to wait for the hourly, yeah. Wait for some retracement and then the hourly.
Which one's worse? I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is too. Heard that girl was a gold digger, it can't be true. She dated you. AP baby blue, papers pink. I probably hate me too. You ever spent
The name of the song? This song's called Sprinter. New song.
Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking.
I want to listen to it again. It's a good song. Yeah, so what you can do, I mean, like yesterday, the last 15 minutes of the hourly can be quite bearish. It can be retracing and then continuation. So I might wait for this hourly to close. Because look at this, we pushed a lot there. I think a retracement then continuation.
We ain't got generational wealth. It's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus. They had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus. Fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life is squinting. Can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters. I just put 9 gal
In the Sprinter.
100 eaters. It won't fit in one SUV. No. SOS. Somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. Let's send the address through, please.
SUV, the
Sprinter.
brown like Michael
Jack. That's such a sick line, that.
Like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought, no yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing a cat. Sprinter, 2 gal in a van, inter. 2 man in Milan, heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
I told her my name is Sam. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her.
16 minutes left. Well, we'll see this 15 how strong this 15 code is, but I'd rather wait for the hourly.
Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my
So can you see the rejection? Good that we changed it from this resistance.
Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in.
Yeah, nice.
Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. There's snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in at Aston, I'm making that Maybach music.
There's actually a 30-minute salary there, yeah. Continue for the zone. A little bit harder though, because the price action to the left is a bit shit.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life is squinting. Can't just
stare.
We're babe through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters. I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
Dave.
100 eaters.
Dave in Central C. SOS.
Somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got. They could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. Let's send the address through, please.
Fire for a wife beater, can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Man have to send her therapy, she got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters, that don't work, it's porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, book one flight and they're all impressed. I'm in the G6 the car hugged me like a friend through twists and turns. Man living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fucked. Don't know which one's worse, I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is too. Heard that girl was a gold digger, it can't be true. She dated you. AP AP baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures and stared at bail? Look what you made me do. Yeah. Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my Blasian one, why you so focused on your Asian side? I know that the Jack boys pray that they get to the clubs and Dave's inside.
Bah. Yeah, 1947.28. Feel like you saying 2 minutes is starting to become your trademark.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home
invasion was persuasive.
From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked the rain and went to tell my bros.
We're still waiting here. I'm kind of glad that this next 15 is just chilling a little bit, and then hopefully this next hourly will give the drive, especially for GJ.
The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs.
See dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch.
A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a reverend for the revenue.
Hello, Barry.
Oh, hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day. It's a way and a way.
Through canals and alleyways, just to say,
Money
trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel.
And dynamite.
Say fuck the niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Trees and living life like rappers do.
Bump that new E40 at the school. You know, big ballin' with my homies.
My
Bro,
homies.
Stevens had us thinking rational. Back to
Yeah, the people, yeah, bitch.
another casualty at war, yeah, bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, yeah, bitch. That Louisburgers never be the same. A Louis belter never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirting. Gang signs out the window, yeah, bitch.
So we've got 10 minutes
All
left.
love won't offend you, yeah, bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold. And we go crash it when nobody's home. Holly-berry or hallelujah.
Pick your poison and tell me what you do.
Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun.
Look how clean this zone is above, man. Fuck, so nice. I've been looking for these buys all morning. That there might have been nice. Just the price action was a little bit shit at the time. I didn't really look at it.
Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel.
And now I might just make a lane switch.
That's just how I feel. $8 might turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
The last one out to get the
Go,
show.
go away.
Not one of your bucket-headed hoes. No way. Hit the streets and we break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stone. No way. Not one of your bucket-headed hoes. No way. Hit the streets and we break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on
We
patrol.
flying.
No way.
rock up in them projects where them niggas pick your pockets. Santa Claus don't miss them stockings. Liquor spilling, popping, baking soda, y'all are whipping. Ain't no turkey on Thanksgiving. My homeboy just domed a nigga. I just hope the Lord forgive him. Pots with cocaine residue. Every day I'm hustling. What else is a thug to do when you eat cheese from the government? Gotta put five for my daughter and them. Get the fuck up out my way, bitch. Got that drum and I got them bands just like a parade, bitch. Drop that work up in the bushes. Hope them boys don't see my stash. If they do, tell the truth. This the last time you might see my ass.
Yeah, we just got 9 minutes, man. 9 minutes. I don't really mind too much about this traffic here on the 15. It was just when price already pushed down, like not draft. It's mainly the pushes up from here.
In the streets with a heater under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under a money tree.
Stop loss would be like 22 pips as well. It's not bad.
The one in front of the gun forever. And I've been hustling all day. This away, that away.
So yeah, stop loss is going to be 1948.65 below the previous 30 minute.
Just bring my car back, man. I called in for another appointment.
And I just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel.
I just want to get out the house, man. This man is on one. He feeling good. And a motherfucker. Shit, I'm trying to get my thing going through it. One of them Maryland house.
GJ, yeah, GJ's still not there yet.
Feeling good. Look, listen to him.
GJ just not there yet, boy.
See, as hell. Shit, he ain't even tripping off them dominoes no more.
Someone say dominoes. This one hour needs to give it a top wick. Yep.
Who's probably gonna sin again? Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone.
Did you say stop on the current 30, bro? Yeah, well, it'll be previous then, but yeah, it's this one here, there.
Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never exists.
I can feel the changes. I can feel in life I always knew life could be dangerous.
I can say that I like a challenge and you to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the colorblind is hanging with you?
Feeling my face and I work with a star. Yeah, in 1955 is where I'd want it. Above here. Nice. Just after the 15 open. Well done. 1955 TP1, yeah. And then TP2 I'd hold till 1965. Yeah, 1965. Looking at the 4 hour, we're on that trajectory again, holding support, so.
Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I will share it, but today bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Where's the stop loss? It'll be previous 30 minute. Yeah. That's if we close above.
We live in a world on 2 different axles. You live in a world, you're living behind the mirror. I know what you're scared of, the feeling emotions inferior.
Yeah.
This shit is vital, I know you had to. This shit is vital, I know you had to. Die in a pitiful pain. Tell me you're watching a chain. It's way more believable. Give me your feasible.
It's also just a retest there as well. Yeah. As I say, I won't mind like a salary or whatever as well. Like we don't have to rush into it. You in gold? Not yet, but I will be. Hopefully, in the next 4 minutes, maybe. If you get a closure above. 5 minutes area, or do you want? Or do you not trade 5? I wouldn't look for 5 minutes celery. I look for like maybe 15 celery. I'm hoping for quite a big top wick because we haven't really. Yeah, we'll see. When was the last time we traded EJ? I haven't looked at it in a while, to be fair. I don't know why though, because it made us some money. But anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick. Start of a new hourly. Start of a new hourly.
What's up, Max?
What's up, my man?
You guys jumping goal?
Maybe. In 3 minutes, maybe.
3 minutes, maybe. Where is the stop loss? 30 or 40?
48.6. So it'd be like 26 pips.
48.6 is like a 30 pips, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Fucking driving. But you wanna sell the signals or just make me fucking bother?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a signal. I'm gonna wait for a lower wick here as well.
Oh my god, I need to take a shit. So bad, bro. I remember I stopped in fucking coffee place.
Oh, you're not gonna get a closure. It's alright, as I say, I don't really mind. We can wait later on. We can wait until like 9:30. 9:30 may give you the push, you know? What are you looking at, Christian?
Look, I see someone say about M and gold. That is possible too, no?
It's not really out of I suppose it is, yeah.
Because he like make it stronger to go down.
It's got a target as well, which is there. Oh, this M looks alright. So it didn't close below the neckline, which is okay. We'll wait for the next candle. The 30-minute did not close above. Interesante. Yeah, I like these candles with the rejection as well. So this is making the top wick of the hourly. If this reflips, breaks, closes below this neckline, we'll be breaking all the previous 15-minute lows. Yeah, that's true. That's the only issue. We'll see. We'll see how it reacts to these highs again. But it didn't close above on the 30. And yeah, maybe at 9:30, you know, we'll have a GJ sell. We'll see. We just gotta wait a little bit longer here. So yeah, now because we haven't closed above, it's still respecting resistance. Obviously now it's pushing up, it's just making the top wick of the hourly, but we'll see. You know, if it wants to break the highs, then it's going to continue, but we didn't really close above. Well, we didn't close above. Bit of ABBA. Pay the bills I tend to pay. Ain't it sad? Yeah, GJ is struggling to move anywhere below those levels. So we can either wait for retracements, you can either wait for maybe an M, or you can just wait for a retracement and then maybe a celery back when it closes above again later on. Yeah, my only issue with it, looking at an M is that the higher time frames is still very, very bullish here. So we'll just wait and see if we can maybe get a celery or something like that later on at 9:30. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. We're vibing today. 286 people in the building as well. Very nice. Can you explain the M concept first time watching you live? Yeah, basically, if you're at a support or resistance, depending on which way, if you find an M or a W on a support or a resistance, and you get in on the neckline with stop loss above, you can get a nice trade. If you look at my Instagram, I've got loads of examples of me doing them. Show you. So here's one here, M formation, closure below. As long as the left-hand side has a level to go retest, and it's big enough, and you take them. It made me like 12% last month. And I missed quite a lot of them. There's another M. I mean, there's loads of M's here, but closure below, top wick, getting on the stop loss above the previous run all the way down to TP1, which is there, clean zone below. Happens a lot. Yeah, it's not a W though at a low, it's already pushed up, you know. I like W's when it's down, when it's going down, and then do it. Not up and then W. I'm just watching this patiently. Is this a playlist? No, I'm just picking random songs, bro. Hourly's still not got much of a top bottom wick. Yeah, it doesn't on my terminal. Maybe it's got a little tiny one. Yeah. Maybe wait for the 9:30 closure. See if it makes a lower wick and rejects. Because realistically, on this hourly, what should happen is we should come down to retest here 1949 first, really. Yeah. Dancing. Yeah. So yeah, now there's no real M. I can see it at the moment. We just gotta wait. What's GJ doing? Still not really where I want it to be at 4:30. I'll put an alert on for that so we can take it later on. GJ coming down, previous statement I had no top wick, yeah. It is though just consolidating, look. It's just consolidating between these levels.
Max.
Hello, hello.
If he broke into 49.60, I sell.
49.60.
What do you think?
My only issue is that it's like a retest. We've closed above on the hourly and the retest would be there. So I'm a bit cautious of the sells at the moment. But wait, maybe for like a 15 closure as well, bearish closure back in the zone, and it'll be a fake out. You should be dancing. That should be going minutes after I left, lol. Yeah, I know. 30 minutes. It was a 30-minute celery. I was looking for the buys, but man, I just lost interest when we started ranging like this. What's the order block for, bro? Because it'll be a level of interest that price can come to if we do reject. Yeah. So when you see an order block, when it starts coming down, if it breaks these lows, you should tend towards getting there. So it's a good target. It's good levels for targets. Max, what is much stronger, MOW with or without a wick? Wait, what? What do you mean with wick? M's are much stronger, yeah.
What do you say? The M is more strong than the W?
Yeah, yeah. M's work more and they run more. Just because it sells and it sells work better.
You love this music, Max.
Yeah.
I can imagine you dancing like a drag queen.
That's why gold got down. That's why gold got down.
Go down
Yeah, this is
yourself.
looking a little bit shit now. Huh?
Go down yourself.
Well, it hasn't closed above on the 30. It's kind of hard now because it hasn't closed above here. So, gotta wait for maybe...
Maybe he waiting for New York.
Yeah.
Oh, no, really? No, really.
I just wish I got in here. On the 30-minute break of the high there. 47. Yeah, like that. You still play Dead by Daylight? Yeah, I do. Oh, yes.
This is a computer game?
Mm-hmm.
I can play this kind of things. I'm doing well. You know, I am the old guy here that plays PlayStation. I know that when I earned my first PlayStation 1 is in 98.
Wow, 98?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Because I remember I have the FIFA 98.
Wow. Oh, gee. I wasn't even born then.
I think I'm the fast one guy have in my town.
Really?
Yeah, the grums just make a line in my house.
Yeah, so looking at this, my only issue is the conferences for both trades. They're just this contradicting, right? The 4 hour. The 4 hours bullish. It looks like it's going to continue. It's closing in 46 minutes, so it looks very much buying, and I've been wanting that all morning. The hourly closed above previous resistance, so it's still looking bullish. The 30-minute time frame is still closed above resistance, closed over the Asian high, but not the left-hand side support. So that's struggling, you know, in terms of that. The 15 minutes rejecting, looking more like a, you know, selling pressure, holding the level. And then obviously the 5 could be an M. So it's kind of contradicted on all time frames. And, you know, if I want to take a trade, do I want to take a trade when, you know, there's 2-3 conferences, but then the other ones are against me? No. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for more of a closure above this support later on to maybe take the buys up. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to look for. I think the sells here are going to be too risky. Also, the sells, you know, yeah, looking like it may come down, but there's the retest. You know, price hourly's close above, needs to make a lower wick to then maybe continue. So I think the sells are too risky. It's way too bullish. But yeah, very, very good discussion today, guys. We had a nice jam out. We discussed Goldie buys. I said to you guys, the 4 hour time frame is going to make the low wick and flip. If you guys got in, well done. I'm still getting used to getting into these trades like this. I'm seeing them happen, but I'm just trying to really picture how to get in. And again, Andrea, if Andrea's here, what happened here? It's a celery. How many celeries have we seen on the 5 minute? 5 minute celery. It's happening a lot. So there was one there, and then if you look yesterday. Obviously, you need to know direction, but once you get the direction, it's pretty good. There's the doji, so the doji's over here, then the push, then the celery there. And then I think the day before... not really that one, just to support for me at 6 o'clock. But yeah, once you like know the direction and know that what you're looking for, when you get, you know, a support holding and a push up. It's kind of like a W there as well, getting the right shoulder. But it's something that we need to work on now as a group, as a whole in terms of Forex, because the moves just aren't happening on the 15. You know, they're happening on lower time frames, and you've got to be able to maximize them, obviously. So that's what we're going to work on in the sims the next 2 days or so. Before the VIC, all the idea is that to run the position. Yeah, Daniel. The whole part of the video is discussing, like, you know, if you're comfortable with getting a break even, you can hold to the OBs, to the ICs, yeah. As long as it's very, very clean, you can hold them a little bit longer, yeah. 100%. I think GJ 30-minute has potential to close below. Well, we'll stay on until the 30-minute closes. We'll probably start the sim towards like 10:30. Let's take a look at see what MG has sent me.
Hey, Max, for what do you too much confidence that go up, bro?
Because we were at support. We were at support, look.
Yeah, but he don't cross the 51.50. You know, there is...
No, not yet, but I think it will. It's just having a little bit of a breather. But, you know, look at the candle here. Yeah, this candle pushed, but you don't know how long it took you to get there. You know, it has to relax and chill a little bit. It's mainly the fact we're at support. I know we're ranging because it's FOMC today, and the zone is very, very clean. So that's why I was looking for the buys all morning. The sells are only on my mind when we're breaking here.
You see the day candle?
Mm-hmm.
He start negative.
I know, but it doesn't matter when you're in a range because it's just ranging. You know, the bearish this daily time frame here gives me absolutely nothing. Yeah, this one goes bearish, that's great, but so did this one. And it rinsed all the way back up. So did this one, rinsed all the way back up. So when you're in a range, don't really worry too much about the daily candles and how they closed. It's just ranging. So play the range, you know. If you see some support forming in these areas, you look for buys. See some resistance here, look for sells. That's all you got to do when it's in a range like this. Yeah.
Yeah, you are the master chef. I'm just a normal chef.
Nah, but it's just reading it, you know. That's why all morning I was waiting.
I learning with you.
100%. You just gotta know it's in a range. You can see that from fucking all the way over here. We came into the range on the 25th of May, really. And then we're just trading this range until this news comes out, and then we'll blast off again. And then we'll probably find a new range. And that's why the M's and W's are very, very good at the moment, because it's just ranging. Can you see now the lack of volume? Yeah, it's struggling here now. The volume's just disappeared. But this is what's happening recently. This is why closures aren't getting many trades, because the move's happening on the 5, pushing. And then it's just sitting until the news comes out.
I feel he dropped 90 pips right now.
Well, good luck. Yeah, it's the 4 hours closing in 40 minutes. Yeah, I don't think this GJ is going to close. If it closes, I'll come back on stream, but in 10 minutes time, I don't think we're going to move 117 pips. So yeah, if you go bullish, if you get a bullish cruise in 2 minutes, I'm buying. Yeah. On the 2 hour buy? Be like this candle here as well. So yeah, we'll just wait until this 30-minute closes. It may give us a little bit more structure here.
Look in this, bro.
Let me take a look at Koji's, Andrea's picture. 1 second. So, 30-minute IC tap. Yeah, that's the indecision. Liquidity wick, 50% Asian range. Celery 30-minute. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah.
So it's adding the confluence. We've talked about these. These are the interruption candles, which price literally go tap and then continue. You know that it's going to be bullish with the 4 hour. Yeah. So it's just the 4 hour. It's just going. It's mad how quick you have to change, you know, your analysis and not being able to look at just clean zones. You've got to get in a little much earlier. This is exactly the same as yesterday, Andrea, with the support forming in the zone. Everything is gonna be. So there we go. Just going back to tap the hourly. 30 minutes coming back down a little bit. Yeah. What confirmations are you looking to buy? I'm waiting for a closure above 1950.5. Yeah.
Oh.
Everybody's there. Yeah, exactly, Daniel. Gives you more. It also gives me more confirmation and more confidence to execute, you know, the celery there. Because right now, the price action, it wasn't really doing anything. But that's the moves that's happening right now. But like Koji said there, you know, there's the IC, there's the retest. We're at 50% Asian. So I had the 50% Asian on. I knew that was IC. I just got to execute, you know. But as again, it's just shifting. You're seeing real time. A whole group of people shifting from, you know, 30 minutes, 50-minute time frames to 5s because we can't trade on 15s no more. Really. You know, break even, 50-minute. I mean, the 50-minute yesterday was okay, but it's very rare. The whole of last month, all of the winning trades were 5 minutes. Really. So it's just that shifting of changing. Doesn't gold form an M already?
You know, yesterday night when I do Asia, I do 3 trades. One I hold it, and the other ones I trade minutes, 1 minute candle. like a binary option. But we do it. I like what I do because the risk is so low. And he play like a ping pong, like a. If you see the candles, he just up like a stair. And I don't do this a lot, but I like what I do yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. If you know it's a ping pong, you know it's sitting between 2 zones, and you've got a level where Asian session normally never breaks a big support like that, and then just buy that motherfucker.
Exactly. I just put the lines trading inside to the box.
It's a good idea. Like, how many times do you see Asian? I mean, unless it's news, how many times do you really see Asian session breaking a support like this? So when you come back down here, just take that motherfucking buy, put your stop loss below like there.
Is this what I do the first time? I put like a 40 pip stop loss, and I see I make 30. I say, all right, I close. And I just go back again and start doing like I tell you, 1 minute candle, but like 10, 15 pips. Stop. Just doing, yeah.
Oh, my back's so fucking hell.
Okay, I think the winner one more time.
The what?
My weed.
Your weed?
Yeah, it's time. It's time.
Yeah.
The market is so low that I need to be the same frequency.
I'm gonna join with you, Elohe.
What?
I'm joining. I've got one ready too.
Yeah, of course. With this drag queen music in the back, I feeling like queen. What is Kiko doing, man? Kiko is not manifest today.
I know.
I think his boss kicking his off.
Yeah.
And now he don't want to talk to anyone.
You just got told off.
Oh man, the wine of yesterday night killed me.
The what? Wine, yeah.
Oh
It
my
fucked you
God.
up.
I have the stomach, I have everything is so bad. You know when you jet lag, the feeling like you don't want to eat, but you're hungry and your stomach start like a Star Wars fighter. That's what I feel today.
Yeah. Feel awful. Drinking
Hey,
this
I think you
not.
have many people from Brazil in the YouTube channel.
You think?
I think so.
Who's from Brazil
So-
on the YouTube? Who's from
Many
Brazil?
Brazilian ones in the YouTube channel. Manifest.
Max, is this closure below for an M formation and also salary play on the 5 minute below 49? I'm just thinking more of direction. It's not really, you know, it's still very, very bullish, man. Things are not looking nice for it. The only thing is of this previous resistance here that's making it reasonable for an M, but to be honest with you, the retest and everything, if I look at the 15 and the 30, it's just retesting this level it's just broken out of. Welcome to Arsenal, Declan Rice. What? Is that where he's gone?
Morocco, Portugal, Beijing.
This one here, candle before the push. We've just mitigated it now.
Oh my God, look at this fake out.
Somebody. I let that game and little girl just fall in love with you. I like how now it's retested on the hourly. Yes, I literally drew this candle before. Okay, so we're gonna get a closure above over here. With the 50-minute closing like this, stop loss will be below here. 48.44. And I'm going to get in pretty much straight away because of the low wick.
Jumping right now?
No, I'll pull up like a buy stop 51.2, 51.17.
On 57, they take profit?
Yeah.
Okay,
Well, first of all, 55.
51 point what?
17.
17.
Basically the break of the highs. Yeah, I've got mine on already. 17, which is right there. Just to break. No, I'm not in yet. I've got a buy stop. Because we're just closing out. Beautiful stuff. Has a top wick as well, which is great. Nice strong closure. Stop loss will be below. Not in yet. Hasn't broke it.
48, 44.
Yeah, like below that wick. So just making the lower wick, which is good. Beautiful. Then when we reflip, break the high. I might actually move my buy stop to 51. Yeah, 51.04.
$51.
51.04.
0.05.
Yeah. No top wick, tough to take. There is a top wick on my terminal and on ice. On trading views, that's fine. This is nice. This is a nice lower wick. Where's the love? Beautiful. You. I can talk to anyone. I can talk to anyone. I like how the 5 minute close strongly here as well, above. Just above. Breaking all these wicks as well when we push. So yeah, looks good. Stop loss is going to be previous 15 now. Oh, sorry, previous 15 and 30. Break even would be take a look to the left hand side. This is not, I'm not really asked about this. It's mainly Fugazi. I mean, yeah, maybe like 53. Yeah. To anyone, I can talk to anyone. Four hours about to close. How do you think about that? Well, it's got 30 minutes left, and I actually think this 4 hour could fill this zone, which is my trade based on. So, yeah. Talk to anyone. Talk to DJ coming back up. Oh, camera froze. Could enter now? Yeah, you could do. I just want the drive. I don't really want to be in it because the low wick could be quite aggressive. Open up your heart, what do you feel? Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? The Big Bang may be a million years away. No, but I can't make up a better time to say, yeah. On. Look inside, do you find a deeper love? What a tune, man. Portugal guys happy. Portugal guys chilling. We got 24 minutes. We got a lot of time for it to just do its thing. And then when it flips and breaks, it should be quite a good push. I like the more time it kind of messes around before breaking it though. Yeah, I'm not really too bad.
5105 or 5117?
5105 I've got now. Yeah. But I've got my buy stop very tight because my spreads are good. Let me change the sound. Let's get a bit of Coldplay back on. I used to roll. We should play this. I used to play like back in the day. I used to play like Michael Jackson, didn't I? Play Beat It. Listen as the crowd would sing. Fine song. For some reason I can't explain. Flip your ass and drive. You should do. It's a nice rejection from the previous candles, so we should at least get the flip and drive. Hear Jerusalem bells. Reason I can't explain. St. Peter will call man. I'll delete my buy stop if we break the low of the previous.
What? You delete the trade?
No, I will if we break the low of the previous.
I wanna give my magic hit to my dog, take the trade.
That'd be fun.
This dog smoking too much weed, you better remove him.
who call my name. That was when I ruled the world.
Yeah.
Universe. Has it not even made a top wick yet? No, it hasn't. Anyone else get activated? Oh, you got in a bit too early, brother. Did not flip, did not break the high the previous either. Which is where mine is. Stop loss previous 30, yeah.
I don't like it, that one.
You make my heart right up inside. Did he buy stop? No, not yet. It hasn't broken the low of the previous yet. It's still making the lower wick. BTS song, yeah. I got my buy stop on 2 pip spread on my broker. Yeah, man, you gotta account for your shit broker. Look at my spread on gold. Not even 1 pip. 0.8. 0.7.
My 0.4.
Yeah. So people who are just on a bad broker, please, for the love of Jesus, move to IC markets. Please.
Please. Oh, look in that one. I mean,
I used to be on 2.1. That's rough, man. Max, have you heard of IG markets? No. That's a nice 1 minute candle.
yeah, I waiting for my enter in 1 minute candle
That's nice.
because I don't like to buy stuff.
Yeah. You make my world come on inside. I wonder if the future IC market won't change the portion of the funny. Yeah, I'm surprised they haven't made their own, to be honest. So 15-minute just closing now, so it'll be a celery play as well. Great. Minute about to flip. Well, has flipped, I think. Yeah. You stop loss to 15 celery. Nah, I'm gonna give it. I mean, you could do, but I suppose you could. Yeah, if you fancied it. $16 pip stop from 25. I got activated. You guys, man, with your bad spreads, bro.
You activate?
No, I haven't. Someone in the chat has. It hasn't broken the high of the previous 30-minute yet. That's what you need.
Elohi, how much you risk on this trade?
0.3035.
Nice, let's go.
I risk all the time the same. Sometimes when I start a new week and I have a little extra profit, I just take a double trade or just risk the double. But one trade.
Double? Wow.
Not double, yeah. Maybe if I have if I have an extra 0.66, I do one trade with that one. But I don't do two trades the same, you know.
Oh, cool.
I try to grow it, little. And when I make my week, this 2.5, and I make a little extra, I play with this little extra.
She flies. Dream of power.
You guys understand what they say, or I'm too high?
I get it.
Yeah, I get it. Don't risk your money, just risk your extra money, right?
Exactly. And if my extra doing well, you know, like if I risk 0.66 and I make, I don't know, 1% or something like that, I go back again to my 0.33.
Yeah.
I'm safe. Because
oh shit, 1 second.
You don't need to see the numbers like money. You know, see the numbers like growing mathematical things.
Exactly. Look at the number.
Just see the numbers like a money. What this is in your hands, you have like a mass of bills. When it's in the hands, you can look like a money.
Para. So I think the lack of volume's put me off now. Now the 4 hour actually is closing in 10 minutes time. So I think it's best to leave this now.
Yeah, I want to tell you that, but I respect you a lot and I don't tell.
Yeah.
Well, take it out.
Yeah, it's too close to the closure.
And he's just.
It's slow volume.
You see the 1 minute candle? What he do? Like the same. And 50 minutes.
What's the spread on IC? I showed you before. This 0.7 on gold, 0.1 on GJ. You can tell it's a slow day because the spreads are very tight. But yeah, I've took it off now, guys. Unfortunately, there's just a lack of volume now. The 4 hours closing in 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll have to wait on over here. We'll see you guys for the next session. People in the mentorship, I'll start the simulation at 11. Okay, because now, and it's nearly 10 already, and we're going to start it, but I need to get some scran and stuff. But yeah, see you later, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. I'll see you in the next one. No trade day, but it has just been ranging, and it's to be expected, right? It's news day. Okay.
What do you think about? I want to take a small sell of the.
On what?
Gold.
I mean, look at the price action, bro.
I know, but it's just for testing.
Well, I'll do it then. Ask me.
$5, bro. Whatever. Because I believe that I tell you today in the morning that he goes down. Because you don't think he only tests that? He tests and now he's stronger to go down?
We'll see. See, the 4 hour will make a little work.
I want to talk to my ball, my magic ball.
Magic ball.
I wanna call Brian, see if his magic ball doing the same.
Well, now because of the stupid spreads, yeah, man, you got to get on better spreads, man. It's never broke the high. Yeah.
See you, Max.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys later on. See you people in the mentorship at 11 for simulation session. Okay, peace out, squad. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. It's been a pleasure. Yeah, just a lack of volume. GJ just ranged. It's fine. The only real move which we talked to was this one here. But yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Adios.